Hello students, today I am going to tell you the central idea of the poem, fourth poem, How to Tell Wild Animals, written by Caroline Wells. So first I want to tell you about the poetess. Caroline Wells was an American poet. She was born in Rahway, New Jersey, in the United States of America on 18th June 1862 to Anna Wells and William Wells. She was married to Hadwin Houghton. After finishing high school, she worked as a librarian for the Rahway Library Association. Her first book was published in 1896. So now I am going to tell you about the central idea of the poem. The poet Caroline Wells treats even ferocious animals and beasts with a coat of gentle but weird humor. If you see a huge, terrible beast coming to you in the eastern forest, and if you are dying when he roars, then know it is an Asian lion. The humor is created by various beasts of prey. Differently, the Bengal tiger is noble but eats you the moment he notices you. The leopard with peppered spots will only lap and lap again. The seemingly friendly hug leads to fatal lizards. The crocodiles weeping and hyenas merry but weird smile deceive their victims. So this is the central idea, but what style the poet adopted in this poem is, the style of the poem is humorous. This humorous poem suggests some dangerous ways to identify wild animals. The use of words and emotions are not only humorous but ironical as well. It is ironical that the noble Bengal tiger eats you the moment he sees you. It does no good to roar with pain when you are in front of the spotted leopard. The friendly hug of the bear is deadly. Bear is deadly. The weird but merry smile of hyenas and weeping of crocodiles trap their victims to death. So, my dear student, try to understand the central idea of this poem. Tomorrow, I will tell you the summary of this poem, and after that, I will explain all the stanzas of this poem. Till then, thank you.